Hi, this is a video how to settings ZTE Speed Wi-Fi Home 5G L11, let's check it out. When you order this product, you will get the home Wi-Fi, power cable, the guidebook, and the LAN cable. Let's set up the home Wi-Fi. First, plug the power cable into the home Wi-Fi. Then plug the other power cable into the electric plug. Wait until all the lights turn on. As you can see, on this guidebook you will get the SSID and password for Wi-Fi, and also the URL and password for website settings. To settings the home Wi-Fi, you can settings by laptop or smartphone. If you want settings with a laptop, connect the LAN cable from home Wi-Fi to the laptop via LAN port. In this example we will set via smartphone. Connect your smartphone to home Wi-Fi. Enter the password. You can see the password on the guide paper. Second, open the browser, then enter the URL or IP address. After that, change the language on the top right corner. And log in with the password you can see on the guide paper. Third, after login, tap Next to skip auto update. Then on this part you can change the login password for website settings. This is settings for network access information settings. And this is to change SSID and password for home Wi-Fi. You can see the status of home Wi-Fi.